Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a new Venmo card. Of course, I'm not going to show you an inside video tutorial or inside the app video tutorial in this video. So if you're looking for that, I truly apologize. I'm outside the US, so I cannot log in into my Venmo account. So first, of course, you'll need to have the account or Venmo downloaded into your phone. So if you have it downloaded, just go and log in into your account. And if you can't log in or if you don't have an account, make sure to go and create a new one. So how to get your new Venmo credit card? Either you are updating your card, I don't know, or you trying to reorder it because you lost it, sold it, or it gets stolen, or it's damaged. So how to update, first of all, your Venmo credit card. If you need to replace your physical Venmo credit card, you can go to the Venmo credit cards section. Basically, you'll find the cards section below. Click on cards, then click on tap on replace lost or stolen. Of course, lost, stolen, or damaged card. Once you do so, the app will walk you through the process, of course, on how to replace that card. And if you want a new virtual card, all you need to do, as you can see, for peace of mind, if your virtual card is compromised or you'd like a new one, you can request a new virtual card, and it will be, of course, you're limited one request every 24 hours. Requesting a new virtual card will deactivate your previous virtual card. It will not affect your physical card number, though. And if you want a new PIN for your Venmo card, of course, if you forgot it, you'll be able to go to your bank or reach out by Synchrony Bank at this number, and they will be able to help you with that. Now, if your card got stolen, lost, or damaged, as example, you can go again to Cards tab, then tap on Replace Lost, Stolen, or Damaged card. Select Lost or Stolen if it's lost or stolen, or select Damage if it's damaged. Then of course, if it's lost or stolen, you'll have to verify the transactions. If all the transactions that you saw there are your transactions, no suspicious transactions are there, you can select these transactions are okay. If you suspect something, you can select something wrong, get support, and give them a call. So then you can simply review your info, make the changes to a new card or your new card. If you want to like change the color or something like that, you can click on the pencil icon, change whatever you want. Or if you don't want to make any changes, then just click on confirm and continue and then select them. Once you complete the process, as you can see, you will see a confirmation screen advising you that your new debit card is on its way. And the same here for its damage. So you just don't have to check your transactions because it's damaged. And all you need to do if you want to choose a new color, do the same thing. And yeah. So if you're not seeing this option as example and you still want to replace your debit card, all you need to do is simply contact them and they will assist you further. And of course, if you are trying to contact the support and you changed your address, so you don't want to your card or you don't want your card to be shipped to the old address, you can simply ask them or contact them and they will assist you for that. But they may require some of the documents that they want. As you can see, here's the list of the document that they may require. You can see them, pause the video and look at them. And yeah, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.